Hi, I'm Vernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have a really exciting recipe for you. I've got a keto low carb granola bar for you. They've turned out so yummilicious, as well as it's packed with health. So let me show you what it looks like. Can you see that? Let me show you one up close and personal with all the yummy goodness in it. So we're standing in my kitchen. So let's get cooking. So let's begin. We take a Ziploc bag and we add 1 cup of pecan nuts, half a cup of almonds and half a cup of macadamia nuts. The macadamia nuts are optional. Give it a bang bang. Oops, that was not successful. So I'm roughly chopping them with a knife. You can have some big chunks and some small chunks. Now I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of unsweetened chocolate chips, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. Give it a mix. And 1/3 of a cup of a sweetener of your choice and mix again. Now I'm adding 1/4 of a cup of pumpkin seeds and 1/4 of a cup of sunflower seeds. All the goodness together. Now it's time to add 2 tablespoons of whey protein isolate. This is just to add to the value. Now what I've taken is, in a separate bowl, I've taken 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. You can also use almond butter, and 2 tablespoons of ghee or coconut oil. Just give it a good quick nuke in the microwave for 30 seconds and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract together and add it to the mix. And lastly, of course, we are going to add in 3 egg whites. After you've put in all of that, we are taking a pan, lining it with parchment paper, and you have to press this down really well. And I think this should be a 9 by 4 inch pan, and it's like a rectangle. See how I'm correcting the sides to make them straight. Now it's ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for anywhere between 20 to 22 minutes. After it comes out and it's completely cooled, you can cut them into these amazing bars. So thanks for watching and do subscribe. Lots of love. Bye then.